How do I copy an entire directory of files into an existing directory using Python? Run the following code from a directory that contains a directory named bar, containing one or more files, and a directory named baz, also containing one or more files. Make sure there is not a directory named foo. It will fail with I want this to work the same way as if I had typed. Do I need to use shutil.copy to copy each file in baz into foo? After I've already copied the contents of bar into foo with shutil.copytree? Or is there an easier / better way?
This limitation of the standard shutil.copytree seems arbitrary and annoying. Workaround? Note that it's not entirely consistent with the standard copy tree. It doesn't honor symlinks and ignore parameters for the root directory of the src tree. It doesn't raise shutil.error for errors at the root level of src. In case of errors during copying of a subtree, it will raise shutil.error for that subtree instead of trying to copy other subtrees and raising single combined shutil.error.
Here's a solution that's part of the standard library. See this similar question. Copy directory contents into a directory with Python. Reference this URL.
Python 3.8 introduced the dir_exist_ok argument to shutil.copytree. Recursively copy an entire directory tree rooted at src to a directory named dst and return the destination directory. dir_exist_ok dictates whether to raise an exception in case dst or any missing parent directory already exists. Therefore, with Python 3.8+ this should work.
And slight improvement on ATS's answer to the function where the above function always tries to copy the files from source to destination. In my above implementation, creating the output directory if not already exists, doing the copy directory by recursively calling my own method. When we come to actually copying the file, I check if the file is modified, then only we should copy. I am using above function along with scon's build. It helped me a lot as every time when I compile I may not need to copy entire set of files, but only the files which are modified.
Ya udah stop ya, ya,